Hi, this is Zoe from Green Plastic. We are professional packaging supplier in Shenzhen. Today, I will introduce one of our main products, plastic cylinder tube. There has two different styles for the tube. One is this kind of blister tube. You can see the cap is blister cap, so this is called blister tube. Another kind of the tube is this kind of crimping tube. You can see the edge. This is what we call crimping. And this is 3 crimping tube. 1, 2, 3. For the material, there has 3 kinds of material that you can choose. PVC material, PET material, and PETG material. The difference between them is that PVC is the cheapest material and PET is eco-friendly material, so the price of PET will be higher than PVC. And the difference between PET and PETG material is about the eco-friendly level. PETG has higher level than PET, but the MOQ of PETG is very high. If you don't have special requirements, we suggest that you can choose PET material. For the printing, there has 2 different printing that you can choose. This is silk screen printing. You can see the color is very bright. And this is offset printing. The difference between them is that if your design is very complicated, such as this, the quantity of the color over 4 colors, it must be offset printing. We also can do the hot stamping printing. As you can see, most of the tubes use glue to do the tube. If you don't want to glue, we also have another choice. This is ultrasonic tube. This line was sewn by ultrasonic, and the cap is metal cap. We have a 6 mold for the cap. If you want to create a new size for the cap, we also accept it, but the mold fee will be very expensive. The price of the tube based on the size, material, printing, and quantity of the tube. If you want to get a current price, welcome to contact me.